Good evening friends. Today we will take MCQ on Ind AS 36. What is Ind AS 36? Impairment of assets. So test your knowledge on Ind AS 36 with these MCQs. So first question on your screen. Ind AS 36 shall be applied in accounting for the impairment of all assets other than. So there are four choices. One of them is not under the scope of the standard. Which one? Contract asset and asset arising from cost to obtain or fulfill a contract. This is not covered by Ind AS 36. Deferred tax asset not covered by Ind AS 36, covered by Ind AS 12. Inventory covered by Ind AS 2. So the answer is all of the above. So correct answer was D. Very good. Now try question number 2. Ind AS 36 shall be applied in accounting for impairment of all asset other than non-current asset classified as held for sale under Ind AS 105, asset arising from employee benefit, deferred acquisition cost and intangible asset arising from an insurer's contractual right under insurance contract. All the above. Which option is right? All of you can participate. The answer is all of the above. So again answer is D. Everybody should participate. Answer is D. Check one more similar question. They can ask question from any segment of the standard. These questions are from the scope paragraph. Ind AS 36 shall be applied in accounting for impairment of all assets other than financial assets which are covered in the scope of 109, biological asset Ind AS 41, asset arising from employee benefit, all of the above. Every time don't answer all of the above, but yes, in this 3 question we had all of the above. One more time. Ind AS 36 shall be applied in accounting for impairment of all asset other than associate as defined in Ind AS 28, joint venture as defined in Ind AS 111 and subsidiaries as defined in Ind AS 110, and the last option D is none of the above. None of the above. These 3 will be covered by Ind AS 36. The answer was D. Question number 5. Which of the following statement best describes the carrying value of an asset? So choose the right option from Ind AS 36. The higher of the asset's value in use and its recoverable amount. Is it carrying amount? No. The higher of the assets NRV and its value in use? No. Then the amount at which the asset is recognized in the balance sheet after deducting accumulated depreciation and accumulated impairment loss? Yes. Cost of the asset minus residual value? No. So the correct answer would be C. Very good. Try question number 6. How should an entity allocate goodwill to its cash generating unit for the purpose of impairment testing? Good question. So first you will try, then I will give you the answer. Yes students, please check which option is the right answer. Which option is the right answer? Which option is the right answer? Come on. The answer would be D, to that cash generating unit which is expected to benefit from the goodwill. In case of goodwill, you have to allocate to that CGU or CGUs which are expected to benefit from the goodwill. So the answer is D. Question number 7. Please try. Which of the following is not an external indicator of impairment? Not an external indicator of impairment. Technological change, external indicator. Decline in assets market value, external indicator. Adverse change in market in which the entity operates, external indicator. But the last one, the asset becoming idle, is an internal indicator. So the correct answer is D. One more chance. Question number 8. Which of the following is not an indicator of impairment? Not an indicator of impairment means out of 4 options, 3 are indicators of impairment. An increase in the interest rate which increases the discount rate. This is an indicator of impairment because value in use will fall. The estimated NRV of inventory has been reduced due to fire damage, although this value is greater than its carrying amount. Point C, we'll see. Point C, advance in technological environment in which an entity is employed because an adverse impact on its future use. It is an indicator. Last point is the carrying amount of an asset's net asset is higher than the entity's number of share in issue multiplied by its share price. Means the book value is greater than market capitalization. The last point means book value is greater than market capitalization. So this is an indication of impairment. The last two are indication of impairment. In case of inventory, it is not an indication of impairment because its value is higher than the carrying amount. Not an indicator of impairment. One more question, number 9. As per Ind AS 36, which of the following would definitely not be an indicator of the potential impairment of an asset or group of asset? So again you have to find not an indicator of impairment. Tell me. First one, a significant in technological environment in which the entity operates. Is it an indicator of impairment? Yes. An unexpected fall in the market value of one or more asset. Is it an indicator of impairment? Yes. Carrying amount of an entity's net asset is below the market capitalization. This time the market cap is greater than carrying amount. So this is not an indicator of impairment. Last point, adverse change in the economic performance of one or more asset. So that is an indicator of impairment. So if market capitalization is greater than the book value, it is not an indicator of impairment. One more question, number 10. In accordance with Ind AS 36, which of the following explains the impairment of an asset and how to calculate its recoverable amount? So you will first read the options and give me the answer. Yes, students, please try the last one. Question 10. Question 10. All of you are saying C. Okay, the asset is impaired when carrying amount is greater than recoverable amount and recoverable amount is higher of fair value less cost of disposal and its value in use. So you are right, the correct answer was C. So thank you very much for attending this MCQ session. We will continue with more such session. Join our YouTube channel AS Foundation. Thank you.